Today ay isang matingkad na araw. Yes, look at me now. I chose orange today, di ba? Orange, matingkad na araw, makulay. Orange represents energy and enthusiasm. So kapag naka-orange ka, ini-invite niya rin talaga yung energy mo, yung power mo. Why? Orange is a combination of yellow and red. And we're talking about yellow, that is sunrise, that is fire, that is light, and red, di ba? Energy, bloody red, energy, powerful, fire. So a mix of that or a combination of yellow and red is definitely isang matingkad na orange, di ba? Well then, they say that orange also represent enthusiasm and energy as I mentioned. No? So, kailangan araw-araw energetic tayo. Yung bang hindi ka nagpapahuli, yung bang, volunteer, takbo ka agad. Talon ka agad. Sugod mga kapatid. Sinong gagawa nito? Tayong gagawa ka agad. So yun yung drive ng isang taong punong-puno ng energy at enthusiasm. And the good thing about wearing this color, you try it. Kung minsan feeling mo ay hindi bagay sa'yo, kung feeling mo ay hindi akma sa'yo yung orange, no? Dito to yun because it represents also calmness, happiness, and most importantly, this color represent, contemplation, spirituality, understanding, and enrichment, no? So napakaganda na matibay ang pananalig mo kay God at syempre matindi ang kakapitan mo araw-araw at the same time, no? Yung spirituality and yung divine intervention ay importante sa buhay mo para mag-guide ka niya araw-araw. Right? So, yes, you can try to wear orange once in a while and be matingkad. Sa totoong buhay naman talaga, dapat matingkad ang lahat ng bagay. Dapat punong-puno tayo ng saya at energy sa lahat ng ating pinapasukan trabaho o anumang plano sa buhay. Di ba? Sa totoong buhay, pwede naman natin isuot kahit anong kulay ang gusto mo at kung anong klaseng buhay ang gusto mo or emotion na gusto mo sa araw na yan. Bye. See you around. See you next time.